Get out of my precinct.
Hey, Cricket Freak. You and I have some unfinished business. Nice hit.
It won't keep her down long.
Why do we have our powers? Did we already win?
Not yet. The dagger's in the atomizer.
Wait. If we shoot the dagger while it's still in there, it could detonate the virus.
Guys, she's waking up.
All right, figure out a way to stop it. We'll keep her off your back.
All right.
This'll help.
Cisco, remove the dagger and then breach the atomizer away.
Yeah, there's a slight problem there. Breaching this thing anywhere could set it off. My powers are useless here.
Then use your other power. Your mind.
Bring up the atomizer blueprints. I'm gonna have to science the crap out of you.
Good morning, sunshine. A little different without your power dampening dagger, huh?
Oh, I don't need a dagger to kill you. I never had it before I came to this time.
You want to kill me? Come get me.
What she said.
Once you remove the plate, you should be able to see the control processor plane.
I see it. It's not gonna work. I need a quantum computer to hack this thing.
Wait, I have one. Yeah.
The gauntlet. Damn, I love the future. Okay, if I can connect to the 3 nodes inside, I'll override the system. If I touch anything else, hasta la vista, baby. Okay, there, I got it.
Yeah, great. How long for the other 2?
However long we have left. Two down.
Well, you're not great at the operation game, are you?
You suck at constructive criticism?
Cisco, get out of there.
Almost there. It's in.
Oh, crap.
Cisco, what's going on?
It's too late.
Gotcha. The atomizer's off.
Flash!
The dagger.
Anything's gonna destroy that dagger. It's gonna be the mirror gun.
Something doesn't add up. Thawne's plans got plans.
She didn't have the dagger in the future. The dagger is Thawne's plan.